Hello guys, this is my next video build. This is a FineMolds 1 is support a Cogisio D4Y3 Judy. The initial condition is the fact is that the wings are already been assembled. The fuselage hubs has been painted. The as well as the engine cowling is already been attached to the fuselage hubs. That's the this is the starboard side and this is the port side. And also, um, the cockpit parts is already been painted. Some of the cockpit parts are already painted and some are still yet to be painted. As you can see, the pilot seat is a very different one. So I have to get a parachute pack and cut it in half so that it would fit the rear part of the seat, pilot seat. And for the other kit, for the other interior parts, some it's already the instrument panel is already painted. The oxygen bottle is already been painted, but the lifeboat pack is not yet painted. But the its floor was already been painted with the interior color. The interior color I used is a mix of brown, yellow, and green. 40, 60%, 60% yellow, 30% green, and 10% brown to get this color. And also the rear seat figure has his lower arm filed in order to make him fit into the heat of the rear seat. As you can see, you have to file off that part just below the arm, just below the elbow. And also, I bought a mask, a Montex mask from Hanans. As you can see, it's a for a D4Y2S, but mine is a D4Y3, which has a very different, which has a different ca- canopy, the both forward and rear. But the middle part is basically the same, as you can see in this in the canopy. I already attached the middle parts and painted it. But the rear part is a different story. So I have to manually mask it. And for the windshield as well. Here is the windshield. It is pointy, not flat. And it's rounded, not flat. That makes it a hard a bit hard to paint on or apply mask. I also scratch built an interior part because I lost the original part. Well, anyway, guys, that wraps up my initial condition for my next video build. Hope you stay tuned, and if you have any question with regards to this video build of mine, please feel free to comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyway, guys, thank you very much.